Good, fabulous Friday, Geometry guys. It's Mr. Jeffries. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the bell. We're off to a kind of quiet start today. I'm loving it. Kind of like McDonald's. Da 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 da. So, right here, the orange sheet, where you can have an orange sheet that you can write anything that you want to on it for the test. Okay. I do have an example orange sheet. I'll be kind of toggling back and forth from it as we go, and I'll actually have it posted in Schoology later. All right. So now, remember when I ask you to write your first and last name on here, and this is why. It's easier to find your last name in the grade book than it is your first name. Do you know why?
Because your last name comes first.
That's right. The last name comes first. Okay. So, all right. It says use a capital letter. Okay. Now, it also says not all choices will be used. So, last year we actually had some angle stuff on this test. All right, so that's an angle, that's an angle, and that's an angle. So that's three things that you can mark out that you're not going to use. All right, made by three non-collinear points. That would be C, a plane. Make this a little bit thicker. Oh, too much. Just right. All right. Basically, a location. Point. E. Now, also, why do you think I want a capital letter right there? Easier to read.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I know some of y'all's capital letters, because y'all have this like micro font thing that you write with. You do this. It's like, yeah, it looks like a blob. Okay, and so I'll have to mark it wrong. All right. Whoops. Has a start but no end. Array. A fancy way to say rule. A postulate. 3 or more points on the same line. Collinear. H. All right. Now, do I have these try to spell out something? No. Okay. Yeah, this is Siba or Keba. Just depends, because the English language is weird, because a C can have a K sound or a S sound. All right. So, the addition postulate. So, if we're reading the directions, it should probably tell you, wait, let me go back a little bit. All right, so for my example orange sheet, I went and I grabbed all these definitions from our notes. That's where a lot of my stuff comes from, is the notes. I wonder if there's a reason why I'm pulling stuff for the example orange sheet from my notes. Yeah, because the notes are important. Okay, very good. Now, going back, the addition postulate. This should just about tell you how to set it up. Now, you don't have to label it like this, but a lot of people do because it helps them out. They will say that this is 5x minus 4. They will say this is 8x. Now, I'm not grading this. I'm just showing you that you can do this, and if you need to. Because a lot of y'all don't, again, you don't like to read the problem. Now, at the end it says KH. Remember, we can name a line like that. So our equation is going to be like this. All right. So I'm going to combine like terms. So I got a 5 and an 8, which is 13. I have a minus 4, minus 10, which is a negative 14. All right. All right, so is that 52? Yep. And then we're going to divide by 3. Oh, nice. I put one up. Womp womp. How many of y'all got a decimal? Huh? Is it 13?
Yeah.
You mean I wrote something down wrong? No. I may have actually put down stuff that people were doing this past week.
That's what I was doing. I had to like rewrite it like 4 times.
Yep.
I'll get the next one.
Yep. Yeah, people are forgetting stuff from one step to the next. Like they'll forget a 1 for the 13. They'll forget the actual X. Okay? If I didn't want y'all to succeed, I would not actually show y'all how to work these out. I would just tell you, you're wrong, figure it out. All right? So, HJ. This is 5x minus 4. So 5 times 4 minus 4. Remember, you can type it into the calculator just like that. Okay? And you should get 16. Now, there's 2 ways you can find JK. One way is actually plugging it in. What's another way? Your screen didn't froze. I was waiting. You could actually say, 38 minus 16. But, yeah, because, the whole thing's 38 if this is 16. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. So this would be 8x minus 10. So 8 times 4 minus 10. This should be 22. All right. So, for my example orange sheet, let me see if I can do this. Just so. I'm putting all that under my part 2 spot. Okay?
I thought I had to be handwritten.
Y'all's do. But mine doesn't. No, it's not cheating. Unlike y'all, I actually graduated high school. Y'all aren't there yet. Alright, so now use the definition of midpoint. Alright? Definition of midpoint says it puts these that they are congruent. Oh man, I messed up one more thing. Oh well. So 3x plus 3 equals 2x plus 9. Electric turn. Now, Also, what is something also that you could probably put on your orange sheet that I hadn't done yet? Those 4 steps to solve. Okay. All right, so x would be 6. So ST 3 times 6 plus 3. I'll fix that screen in just a second. It's driving me crazy. I just ordered a new thing. Both of these should be 21. I should have put this SU. Okay, I didn't catch that. All right, how many of y'all doubled this for the second one? That's fine. If you did, just mark it out, put SU right there. I didn't catch that. I was like typing stuff out and like falling asleep yesterday afternoon during 7th period. So this is 42. All right. So then on my thing, my example on a sheet like this. All right, so all right, that's your review. I'll make some tweaks to it for Monday's practice test. Okay, just like this, and then we will, keep on cruising. All right, so don't forget, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.